Today's question is Sn equal to summation k equal to 1 to n k over k plus 1 factorial. Then we need to find the sum of the S3, S4, S5. We need to find this. Let's see how to solve it. To take this expression, what we have k over k plus 1 factorial. A denominator we have a k plus 1. So that's why numerator also you have to add 1 and subtract 1. So then we can split into two parts. So this is the first part and this is the second part, and denominator is same. So we can write this as k plus 1 over k plus 1 factorial minus 1 over k plus 1 factorial, isn't it? This k plus 1 factorial, how can you write? So we can write this as k plus 1 times k factorial. We can cancel this k plus 1 terms. So finally this we can write as 1 over k factorial minus 1 over k plus 1 factorial. So actually this is a telescoping series. Let's write the first few terms and cancel the intermediate terms. So we are going to left only the first and last term. Then we can find S3 and S4, S5 values. So now it is going to be easy to solve. Now we have to take the summation k equal to 1 to n. That is our Sn. So after simplifying the given expression, so we got Sn as 1 over k factorial minus 1 over k plus 1 factorial. So let's write first few terms. First write k as 1. If we write k as 1, so the first term is 1 over 1 factorial minus 1 over k plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, which is 2 factorial. Now substitute k as 2, that is 1 over 2 factorial minus 1 over 3 factorial. Up to you have to write n terms. So that means and so on, plus 1 over n factorial minus n plus 1 factorial. So all the intermediate terms gets cancelled. So we left only the first and last term. So that is our Sn. So Sn is 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. So what is our goal? Our goal is to find sum of the S3, S4 and S5. First find S3, 1 minus 1. Here n value is 3. So 3 plus 1 which is 4 factorial. Now write S4. That means n you have to take as 4 plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1, which is 4 plus 1, that is 5 factorial, plus now we have to add S5. S5 is 1 minus 1 over n plus 1, that is 5 plus 1, which is 6 factorial. Here we have a 1, 1, 1. So that is equal to 3 minus 1 over 4 factorial plus 1 over 5 factorial plus 1 over 6 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 4 times 3 times 2, which is 24. So that is equal to 3 minus 1 over 24 plus 1 over 5 factorial is nothing but 120 plus 1 over 6 factorial is nothing but 720. This is the result of this S3 plus S4 plus S5. That's it for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.